Hello. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this nice GT player simulation chair. It's a racing cockpit. It is more than a racing cockpit. It's a foldable racing simulator cockpit for personal computer and or consoles like PlayStation 5, Xbox, and so on. It is compatible with all steering wheels and pedals and all brands on the market. It comes in black, as you can see. It is in the dimensions of 135D, 54 wide, 123 height in centimeters. It is around about 15 kilogram in weight, and we have here a comfortable and flexibility device. The height, tilt, and position of the GT player steering wheel mount can be adjusted for optimal user positions. We can also adjust the height of the pedals and the depth of the seat for different body sizes. And we have a wrapping feel. The seat of GT Player Racing Simulator is widened and recessed for more comfort, thus giving us a good wrapping feeling during the game. And its compatibility and versatility in a big range, because it's compatible with a variety of game consoles and systems out there, such as personal computer, Xbox, PlayStation, and so on. It's compatible with all steering wheels and pedals on the market, and easy to assemble and of course easy to store. The driving simulator is easy to assemble and can also be easily folded or disassembled if needed. Therefore, it is easy to store or transport while it is not in use. And we have a sturdy construction. The simulated cockpit is made of high quality materials and a 30 frame that ensures stability and durability too. It can withstand even high intensity games and forms a solid foundation for the simulation experience with a maximum load capacity of 140 kilogram. This is a nice cockpit for a simulation. Best inspiration. Easy peasy storage, and you can store it underneath the sofa, underneath the bed, or in the edge of our room, in our gaming room, or in our sleeping room. And here we can gain up our cockpit simulation by using such a cockpit simulation chair system. The steering wheel, we can tilt it 45 degrees. The pedals, front, back, up, down, and of course we can install a shifter on it, or a brake pedal, no, a brake level, if we like this. This is a robust racing simulation device for a good and nice gaming situation. This is the GT Player Simulation Racing Simulation Cockpit, with like a big bunch of possibilities and a good simulation thing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.